I am your singing bird, you pursued me, you captured me, with your poetic words and promises of sweet nectar. You are my benevolent master, as gently and tenderly hold me in your hands. I tremble, but do not fear you. I give up my freedom to soar, my freedom to fly, in exchange for a home in your velvet-lined cage made of gold. I give you my gift of song. I sing joyfully and happily for you. I am content. I give you my heart, my soul, and you take them but do not offer yours. I give you my love, adoration, and respect. You do not love me in return, for I am your possession, nothing more, nothing less. I sit in my cage, awaiting an audience to perform the songs of my heart only for you. Songs which no longer penetrate your heart. Your visits are less frequent. You walk past my cage as if I am invisible. You are my world, but I am your possession. To take out and put away a thrill, soon my songs become mournful and sad. I no longer love to sing, my voice becomes silent. You neither notice and nor care. I imagine flying and soaring high in the heavens, above the billowing clouds and the clear blue sky. I dream of escape and freedom. I lay listless on the velvet lining of my golden unlocked cage, hoping someday you will love me. The poem I sent is called The Silent Bird.